Hello, what's up guys, welcome to my new brand video. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix unable to verify app. If you have facing this error, so how can fix this error? So watch this video, like get started this video without wasting time. Firstly, go back home screen and enter into the mobile settings. After then enter into the mobile settings and scroll down. Here you see screen time, so just enter into the screen times and scroll down, click on content and privacy restriction. After then click this option and scroll down. Here you see iTunes and App Store purchase, so just enter into this options and here you see installing app, deleting apps, in app purchase. So my date all three options is allow. After then go back, again go back and again go back. Here you see journal, so just enter into the journal and check software update. If your iPhone software is not updated, so firstly update your iOS software. After then go back and you see check your iPhone storage. If your iPhone storage is full, so then getting this error, and go back and check your date and time and correct your first, fully correct your date and time, and your problem has been permanently solved. If my video was helpful, so like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.